Hi there, and a warm welcome to my channel. I moved to Bali in 2018 and built my villa in 2020, gaining a lot of insight into both traditional and modern Balinese design. Bali is a treasure trove of natural resources, rich in organic materials. Today, I'm excited to show you how to incorporate 5 essential Bali-inspired natural decor pieces into your own home. Bali is known for its stunning natural beauty and unique design style that combines tradition with tranquility. So let's get started. Number 1. Hand-carved woodwork. These pieces are not only functional, but also works of art. Whether it's a beautifully carved table, a chair, or even a decorative panel, the craftsmanship and detail add a rich cultural touch to any room. Place a wooden statue on a console table, or combine a decorative mirror with a carved mask. Number 2. Rattan and Bamboo accents, also known as seagrass, woven wood, and cane, are staples in Balinese decor. These natural materials are lightweight, durable, and bring a warm, organic texture to your space. Consider adding rattan chairs, bamboo light fixtures, seagrass rugs, woven baskets to introduce a tropical vibe without overwhelming your space. Number 3. Petique and ikat textiles. These vibrant hand-dyed fabrics feature intricate patterns and are perfect for adding color and character to your home. Use Petique as cushion covers, throws, or even as wall art to infuse your space with Balinese artistry. I made these napkins from a piece of Petique fabric. I also wrapped an ikat fabric around the seat cushion. No sewing is necessary. Most Petique is crafted from either 100% cotton or 100% rayon. For an organic choice, cotton is the best option, and the more you wash it, the softer it becomes. Number 4. Greenery. No Bali-inspired space is complete without indoor plants that bring life and a fresh tropical feel to your home. Plus, they help purify the air. Choose large leafy plants like monstera or palms, and smaller options like sansevieria and pothos to create a lush, inviting environment. These particular plants are low maintenance, thriving in shade and only needing water once a week. Consider pairing a rattan basket with a green leafy plant, and be sure to place a water dish inside to protect the basket. Number 5. Handcrafted pottery and stone vases. Pottery and stone vases add an authentic, earthy touch to a Balinese-inspired room, bringing in both artistry and natural warmth. With these 5 key decor items, you can transform your home into a Balinese-inspired oasis. These 5 decor items can be added to your space subtly or used to make a bold statement. I would love to hear your thoughts on these Bali-inspired decor items. Please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.